Every city has its treasures, but in Amsterdam, one small shop is home to what many consider the perfect cookie. It all started in 2014 when their founder, Michelle van Stapele, decided to create the perfect cookie. Not just any cookie, but one that combined rich flavors, a touch of nostalgia, and a sense of indulgence. She experimented for months to find the right balance of crisp and gooey, of chocolate and cream.
So guys, I'm outside of the Van Stapele cookie shop and this cookie has gone so viral. I'm wondering what the hype is, so I'm going to taste it. Like you already know from me, I like to eat tasty food. So we're going to taste it together and I'm going to tell you if these cookies are better than the ones, the regular triple chocolate cookies that you can get at the Dutch supermarket called Albert Heijn. So this is the cookie I'm going to taste. It's a good cookie, but I don't know if it's better than the one from the Albert Heijn. It costs about €3. Tasty. It's really good.
Yes, of course, I had to go to the Albert Heijn. The triple chocolate cookie is rich with a velvety dark chocolate, creamy milk chocolate chunks.
Guys, we're going to unbox the Action Advent Calendar. I'm so excited. They really did their best. It looks glossy. It looks luxurious for the price category. I guess it was something like €10. So let's open this calendar and see what the Action has to offer. It's a surprise, so I guess you can see it a little bit better. I feel like the packaging really looks great, better than some of the advent calendars in the higher price categories, but this one is quite something for that price range. This one is pretty special for the price range. I'm just loving it. I'm going to give you guys a close-up. Guys, so we're going to open door number 2. Door number 2 is a lip mask. It's so hard to get it out of the packaging, but still I'm going to try it for you guys. So this is called Golden Rouge Soothing Warm Vanilla Scented Lip Mask, 25 milliliters. Of course, we have door number 3. Door number 3 is an exfoliating hand glove. I have to look pretty hard to find door number 4. But door number 4 is like here. Door number 4 is a Golden Rouge sheet mask. Then we have door number 5 over here. Door number 5 is a body butter. Door number 5 is a body butter, Infinity Chic Nourishing Velvet Orchid Scented. Let's go to door number 6. Door number 6. Door number 6 is another mini sponge. Then we have door number 7. What could it be? Door number 7 is a cleansing velvet orchid scented face wash, purple potion. I was so excited that I forgot door number 2. I didn't forget door number 2. I just forgot that I already had that number. Let's go to door number 8. Door number 8. Glitters for your nails. We have door number 9 over here. Number 9 is like a purple potion soothing velvet orange scented hand cream. Go to door number 10. Door number 10 is a bubble bath in moon shape. This is a bubble bath in moon shape, super cute. It's so nice. Then we have door number 11. I'm taking it to the balm. Let's see. Whoa, I thought wrong. Let me see. It's rolled up, so I think it's another mask. It's a golden rouge facial mask, sheet mask to be precise. Let's go to door number 12. Door number 12 is also rolled up. Let me see what it is. I think it's a bath salt. Well, it's shimmering bath crystals. Golden rouge, relaxing warm vanilla scented. Then we have door number 13 over here. This is the cutest thing ever. Door number 13. Cute little file for your nails. Door number 14 over here. Door number 14 is a facial day cream, golden rouge, soothing warm vanilla scented. And we have door number 15. I think this calendar is a cute gift for people who are on a budget. Door number 15 is a hair and body mist, velvet orchid. So then we have door number 16. What is that? More glitter. December is the month of glitter, so I guess they thought let's give them some extra glitter. Let's go to door number 17. That's a exfoliating body scrub to go with all the exfoliating gloves and scrunchies that we got. Yes. Next door is door number 18. So door number 18 is a room spray, purple lotion. Then we should go to door number 19. That's this eeny weeny door over here. Let's see what door number 19 has hidden. I think it's a soap. Cute, a little star for all the sparkles in December. We should go to door number 20. What is this door over here? Open door number 20. Oh my god, door number 20 is totally empty. Whoa, what happened? Is it truly empty, or did the package or the surprise move to another part of the calendar? Let me see. It's a velvet orchid nourishing hair mask. So that's door number 20. Let's go to door number 21. Door number 21 has a shower gel. Door number 22 Door number 22 is a rose, a purple rose. Let's go to door number 23. Door number 23. Well, I'm quite happy with all the facial masks. Oh, door number 23 has a under eye sheet mask. That is new, so I'm going to try it out and see what it will do for me. Then we're going for the last door. That is door number 24. Door number 24 is, drum roll, a shimmering body lotion. Guys, that was my little spa exclusive action advent calendar review. It says Whispering Moonlight, 24 enchanted gifts with sweet decadent fragrances. Advent calendars add to the Christmas spirit. To take the holiday cheer to extra heights, I'm going to unpack the Balea Advent calendar for you each night. I will literally do this one day at a time and share my experiences. A gift adds color to your life. Let's begin then. Enjoy life gift by gift.
The next item is a shampoo. I have 40 hair, so I'm not going to use it as it dries my hair, but I'm going to gift it.